In this video, I'm going to show you how you can someone on Facebook. So check the title of this video description. So ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. So this video basically is an educational video, right? So everything I'm going to say in this video is based on educational purpose only. So what you need to do now, you need to log into your Facebook account, right? And what you need to do, you need to click on, okay, you need to click on this, right? Once you click on it, it's pretty easy, right? So I won't love to mention anything because this video is basically a video that will guide you on what you need to do. So from this video's title description, right? So it's pretty easy, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got any questions you want to ask me, ensure you do that as well. I'll see you guys in the very next one.